Hey everyone, hope you're all doing great. In the last video, we designed a character together and learned all the design tools in detail. In this tutorial, we're going to dive into the coloring tools and bring our character to life with some colors. If you look closely, our design is still raw. This is our reference image, and if I move it, you'll see that we can't really spot the design clearly. That's why it needs some coloring. If you don't have the Style window like me, just go to the Window menu and activate the Style panel. You'll see it pop up in the corner. Alright, now let's select our desired layer and use the coloring tools to color our character. I've already explained these tools in the tutorial linked above. The tool we need to use here is the Create Shape tool. Now with the Create Shape tool, I'm selecting the entire hair shape. As you can see, my reference doesn't have any strokes, so I don't need one either. I only need a fill. From this section, I'm selecting the eyedropper tool to pick the hair color from my reference character. Now, when I hit Create Shape, you can see it applied the exact same color for me. Now I'm moving on to the nose layer. As you can see, it doesn't have any fill, it's just made of an empty stroke, so I don't need a fill here either. The thing I need to do is select the eyedropper for the stroke this time and copy the color from the nose for the stroke, not the fill. Make sure the top part is set to stroke, not fill. Then adjust the stroke thickness. I think 4 pixels works perfectly for this nose. And once you've selected it, hit Create Shape. I think the stroke size is just right. Now I'm moving on to coloring the eyebrows. I select both and switch to the fill mode since there's no stroke. Then I use the eyedropper tool to pick the eyebrow color and hit Create Shape. Now the eyebrows are colored. Now I'll select both eyes and repeat the same process for the eyes. As you can see, the eye color is the same as the eyebrow color. Now I'll click on Create Shape and boom, the eyes are colored as well. The mouth color is white, as you can see, so I'll pick the mouth color using the eyedropper tool and then hit Create Shape to color the mouth as well. I'll color the head the same way using the same method. Now I want to color the ear. Just be careful. For shapes like this, don't select the whole thing at once. First, select the outer part to color the main shape, and then color the inner parts, like the inner stroke of the ear. This order is really important because the first shape you color will be the one in the back, and the last one will be the one in front. As you can see, now I'm coloring the stroke. Now I'll do the same for the other ear and the neck. Now that the coloring is done, to make sure everything is correct, hold down the Ctrl and R keys on the keyboard to take a render of this image. As you can see, everything looks great and matches the reference perfectly. Now everything is ready for rigging and animation. By the way, we're posting animation creation videos every other day, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.